How to transfer file DJI Mini 5 Pro to your iPhone or Android, anything. First of all, you have to download DJI Fly from your App Store or Play Store, and then you can see the quick transfer. You have to press on quick transfer. So once you press on quick transfer, you can see your drone. Make sure your drone is turning on. Once done, then you can see this kind of interface. That's mean it's connected with your DJI RC. And now just go to the album. Now here you can see all of the file. You can download it with high quality. Let's try with on. It's a 2 minute 53 second. Let's say how much time it's need. Press on download, this option, then full download. Press on full download. Now download in background support. Press on OK. Now it's downloading. So once download complete, the file is downloading. Now go back to your phone gallery. Now go to collection, and if you press on recent save, then you can see the file is arrived here. And if you check the quality, then you can see it's full quality. So this is how you can easily transfer file to DJI RC to Android. Thank you. Have a good day.